Hello everybody, this is Brad from Esquina. I'm sitting here in my Dodge Dually, aka Double D. My first upgrade I made to this truck was a center lock overhead gun holder. Now I'm not sponsored by anybody on this. Got it off Tractor Supply website, a little over $100. Now in the past I've had the gun rack in the back glass, you know, back in the 80s. And then I've had the one overhead that you screw to the cab, which I do not like putting hose in a cab. So when I saw this, I was like, hey, that's a pretty good idea. Now, I've had it for 6 months, so I'm filming it after I've had it 6 months through a hunting season and all kinds of driving and everything. But this thing is pretty cool. Now, it'll hold, as you can see, I got a 270 in it right now with a scope on it, and it'll hold 2 guns. It wedges in right here on both sides, and when you wedge it in, you got to split these nuts, one on each end. Well, there's 2, but you tighten these up and it presses up against the sides of it and forms pressure on the side of the cab. That's what holds it. There's no drilling, no nothing. These extra nuts here are lockdown nuts, so when you tighten it up, you put these on there, it keeps it from backing off with vibrations. Now, I didn't read the directions like always, but where I screwed up was this right here. I put underneath here and I had it turned around. This sits out longer than this one. So when I did that, when I had it swapped around underneath, it would hit you in the head over here. It'd hit the top of your head or your cap. And so I finally read the directions, and it said it goes on top and the longest part goes out here. And but anyway, like I said, I'm not sponsored from these people, but it's pretty cool. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I would buy it again. Like I said, get the guns out of the way. Anyway, peace out.